Another Fulani camp discovered in Biafra land. No be small thing o. Things dey happen. As we dey talk right now, they say that one of Biafra Liberation Army commander wey dey call Holyghost, the guy don provoke o, come outside with another pattern. He say that if they fight Biafra war finish o, he say they go help the Yorubas go fight the Funanis. I go play you the video. As e be like this now, Asari Dokubo don come outside. They come talk say all the whole people wey be courtesan wey dey for Niger Delta, say him go kpai all of them. E don red though. My people, let me play you the video. But before we play the video, I wan tell you thank you. Say we don hit another 5k for our Facebook. Una try make una still dey follow so that we go hit higher number more than that. Okay, my people, now I go play this video. May you watch before we go come back, come continue. Watch the video the moment the Biafra Liberation Army commander talk say after the war he go help the Yorubas. Just watch am.
This is the warning, and this is a direct message. I bring this message to you to make it reach Fulani, because they send me message. I cannot hold it back. For Fulani to make attempt to take over the land of Biafra, tell them we will pursue them down to where they come from. Immediately Biafra is restored, fully restored, we will fight for the restoration of Uruduwas, and we will fight for the restorations of Hausa. Indigenous people who make up Nigeria will totally be independent and free from Fulani, because of that single attempt they make to conquer the land of Biafra. Share this message. Let it reach their ear. That we promise them because of from Fulani. I repeat, make this message reach Fulani. Whatever they heard of Fulani, make it reach their emir. Make it reach them and tell them that for that single attempt they make to conquer the land of, whether you like it or not, I must deliver this heavenly message. Tell Facebook whether you like it or not, this message must be delivered. I say it without missing of word. Tell Fulani, if you have Fulani friends in your profile, tax your friend, tax them, and make sure say this message reach them. This is the message from heaven. That for that single attempt they make to conquer the land of Biafra, that we will destroy them beyond repair. Fulani is specifically. This message is mainly for Fulani specifically. This message go to Fulani. We will send them to desert where they come from. Tell them immediately Biafra is restored. Biafra will fight for Oduduwa restoration. Biafra will fight for Hausa restoration. And Fulani, we will send them back to where they come from. That every indigenous people of Biafra, every indigenous people that make up Nigeria must gain their independence the way it was before Britain come. So shall it be. That for their single attempt to conquer the Biafra territory, that Biafra will destroy Fulani beyond repair. That in their next war, when they hear the name Bia, then go escape and disappear before Fra, because we are the chosen one. This is the message from the Holyghost, from Chukwugika Abiyama himself. The message.
Okay, my wonderful people, when I don't hear Ramo as it talk, drop your own opinion in the comment section. Let me also bring you video. May you hear waiting Asari Dokubo talk, waiting talk say him go do the people where they call courtesan for inside Niger Delta. Just watch the video.
So don't tolerate cultists. There are three things we must do with them, these cultists. The ones that must die, we must kill them. Those ones that cannot be rehabilitated, we must kill them. The ones that should rot in prison, they must go to prison. The ones that can be rehabilitated, whether by the church, the mosques, or that reasonable way of rehabilitating them. Because if you watch, all the leaders of bunkering are cult leaders. They've left destroying our morals to destroying us. I want to tell you something. Amnesty sent some Nigerian, Niger Delta people, or whatever, they called them to South Africa for training. One of them fell sick, and they took him to the hospital, and they did tests. He has an unknown sort of migraine, and they were shocked. They've never seen it. They send the test everywhere. This is amnesty. You can go and find out at the amnesty office. Migraine. Another person fell sick. They went. They discovered the same. They've never seen the trait. They sent it to different labs all over the world. What is the cause of this migraine? It was Ogbunigwe who sent it to me, the former president of the Ijoyu Council. And they now started investigating. They found out that all these boys had left Fire camp. All these boys, they were about 4 of them, they were in various Fire camps before they came for the training. So there are several other associated diseases that has developed. Several other associated diseases that have developed because of the wickedness of these evil people who cannot get any meaningful livelihood without crime. And then we cannot continue to encourage them, because if we encourage them, our society, the civil service has been destroyed, everything has been destroyed, our university system has been destroyed. You must chase the cultists out. They are demonic. There is no way you can manage them. Don't, because you want to do politics, claim that they can form. They are not. These are association of Satan and demons. Because people who feel that they have the right to kill others, and others don't have the right to kill them. People who are from homes that their parents did not have. That is what River State has become. Easy money. Easy money. And we celebrate it. And we put everybody together. We lump everybody together. We make people, we award people things that do not exist. You elevate somebody to a position that does not exist. Historically, it does not exist. All of a sudden, it's something. And you see people talking about it, foremost, this, that, and that. Foremost where? Ancient where? 50 years ago, it's ancient now in Nigeria. In Rivers State. The ancient kingdom of. Ancient kingdom of where? Of 2 years ago, it became ancient. So, we do all these things, and it's so painful, it's so disgusting.
My people, Shibuna don't hear her. He said the one where they need to buy you, he go buy them. The one where he go put for prison, go put them on. I don't hear them. Drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Now I want to bring you this video for you to see what they happen for inside bush, for inside Biafra land. Funanis don't take over the sea. You see, when we asking Fulani to go, people say, are they not part of Nigeria? Are they not Nigerians? Why are the people? Look at somebody come to your land. He didn't even rent a house. He didn't even go so that people will know him. Just come to your forest and build one nonsense. Stay there, be doing evil in your own land, and you want the person to stay. Why our people will travel their own land, present themselves, see the landlord, buy drink, rent the house, start business. They will still go and carry their bulldozer, carry and dance, say this one, that one, because they're an Igbo person. But see those ones in the bush, they will not go after them. I want you to watch the video.
Ụmụnne na ụmụnna anyị nọ ihu ọrụ based on emegebe ka anyị shai pịara ime ọhịa anyị mana akpa ihe agaga. So on the process anyị gakwuru na one of our bushes, one of the bushes, yes, anyị gakwuru anyị ama ndị binga anyị ama ewara ahịrị ha mega ime ọhịa anyị but anyị ama ikono anyị hụga anyị ama ndị bihia ma ọnụ ndị ọwụ anyị ka ụka nwowu ndị Fulani herdsmen. So ụyọ mmanụ bịara ime etiti ọhịa bịa rụọ elu oche nwo nọcha ya mmanụ bịara ime etiti ọhịa bịa rụọ ọhịa ihe mega ime ọhịa elumeke emega ime ọhịa elumeke ike gwụrụ onye ọla gị iti aka ha wụde ọrụ otu onye eleghị n'ime nga wefu acha those things, let's confirm. Akwala bomb. Show again. So anyama ande tosara he night movement construction of lights kono onye ola gari careful o onye ola gari careful
my wonderful people, share this video as it is hot. So now so we build and I will say more carry and go show now. I beg, may you make sure so you drop your own opinion. See what in the happen for our land. You get what you want talk and people want to see what you talk. Share the video and make sure so you follow this channel. Don't forget to go and brush and follow our new YouTube channel, Balabas Gist Vlog. Very important, so that you no go to miss any update we will drop.